Well, hello there guys, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy, and today I'm going to be making a very easy, delicious, and fast dish. I am making dirty rice. Now this is a classic Cajun rice dish that is loaded with flavor from the Cajun seasoning, the ground beef, and then the holy trinity, also known as onions, celery, and peppers. This dish is also very inexpensive to make, so it is cost effective. It is all made in one skillet, and those are some of the best. Now, let me go over all these ingredients with you and show you just how easy this dish is to make, because it is time to get cooking. So you will need 1 pound of ground beef, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, then this is 1 small onion that I have chopped into a small dice, 1 stalk of celery that I have chopped, and 1 bell pepper that I have chopped. Then you'll need 3 garlic cloves, and then this is 2 green onions that I have chopped, and then 3½ cups of beef broth and 1½ cups of white rice. And then you'll just need your Cajun seasoning and some salt and pepper. So into my large cast iron skillet, I am going to add my olive oil. And then I'm adding the onions, celery, and peppers. So I'm going to let these saute for just a couple minutes until the onions become translucent and the peppers and celery begin to soften. All right, I'm going to go ahead and mince my garlic using my garlic press here. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my ground beef. Then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of this Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. And I'm just going to cook this ground beef until it's completely browned. But oh my goodness, this is already smelling pretty delicious. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and add the rice and then the beef broth. And I'm cooking this on a medium heat. But now I'm going to cover this, and I'm just going to let this cook for about 10 minutes. Last thing I'm going to do is add the green onions. All right, so the dirty rice is done. How easy and quick was that? Yum, yum. Oh my goodness. That is delicious. Easy. Yeah. All right, guys. Well, thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day. God bless. And as always, I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.